Creating alias email addresses. If the student does not have an email address at enrollment, you can create an alias email address. Most email service providers allow users to create alias email addresses in their email administration settings. However, users with Outlook or Gmail can create an alias while enrolling students in ePACE without any prior changes in their email administration settings. An alias is a placeholder for a real email address and can be created by inserting a plus sign and any number of characters between the username and the domain. For example, if your email address was supervisor@gmail.com and the student's name was John Smith, you could use the alias supervisor plus jsmith@gmail.com to enroll the student. All notifications the student may receive, including the new account notification with his temporary password, would be sent to supervisor@gmail.com. ePACE considers an alias to be a unique email address and permits the creation of the student account. ePACE sends a welcome email with login details to the alias. Outlook and Gmail receive the email from ePACE and forward the email to the real email address. Note that when you use several aliases, all of the alias emails will actually go to your real email address. This will inundate your inbox with email notifications. Therefore, it is recommended that you create an email address dedicated for use with student email aliases. For example, Highland School may choose to create a Microsoft account using highlandepace@outlook.com.